Didn't have to wait long. My best mate's here. You okay, baby? It's Calvin, you guys. It's my best mate, Calvin. I've literally been sat here, just poured my brew, glanced over, and there she is. My best bud. There you go, you found it. She's just dropped it again. She's dropped a bit of a nut there. She's sat there. She's so bloody beautiful. The only problem is, guys, that's all the nuts I've got. So I'm not going to be here long. And I did say I was going to be doing a live. So, I don't know.